Hi guys, today we are going to see about the Gate.io startup option. Okay, so before we get into this video, I have to tell you one thing. I'm not a financial advisor, just to sharing my crypto knowledge. Okay, so let's see about the startup in Gate.io Accenture. Okay, Gate.io startup is nothing but it is an initial exchange offering platform that always allows yearly early stage blockchain projects to access fundings from millions of Gate.io users. Okay, and it is nothing but it is a platform which is offering decentralized blockchain asset sales with a discount. Okay, and here if you get into the startup option, okay, actually Gate.io giving plenty of options for the user convenience like copy trading, P2P trade, analytics, NFT box, same as like we have startup option also. So inside the startup option, here we have all tab, active tab and finished tab. So inside these tabs we can be able to see all the air traps. Not only that, we can figure out which one is active, which one is upcoming and not yet come. Okay, so this all tab will show you all the airdrops which is upcoming and which is active, and all the airdrops which is not yet come. Okay, and also this active will show you the upcoming and the active state also, state only. Okay, currently we have projects with the upcoming state, but we have active state projects also. Okay, but currently we have upcoming, and in finished tab it will show airdrops which was completed, which was finished. Okay, if you get into this project it will show it is success, it means it was finished. Okay, I will explain you about all the things about this airdrops. Okay, and here they are setting up two offers, non initial offer and initial offer. Okay, let me explain about these two offers. Initial offer is nothing but projects which came newly and are not listed on any exchanges. Okay, initially it was listed only on Gate.io exchange only. Okay, and non initial offer is nothing but it also already listed on other exchanges with say some discounts. Now those projects coming here and gonna list on Gate.io exchanger also. Okay, and projects listed on here, that only the quality projects only with long term potential, because Gate.io has a thorough vetting process to ensure projects are legitimate or not. Okay, once it is legitimate, then Gate.io will approve the projects and will ask for provide the key information and provide and publish the key information. Okay, so once it is approved, that project is approved and listed on startup, like here if it is listed on this startup option, then we can be our users, like we can be able to see the project on the startup page where it will show the token description. For example, I will take this project. Okay, I will take this project. So if you gone down, just loading, so it will show you all the things like token description, token fundraising goal, then amount of tokens offered, initial price per token, token name and symbol, maximum supply, contract type, address, these all things it will show you. Okay, contract type, unburned, token pool. Okay, pre-sale, bridge pool, marketing, website, white paper. Okay, everything it will show you. And not only that, um, although our Gate.io having the vetting, like a vetting process, thorough vetting process to ensure projects are legitimate, but still it is a user responsibility to research the projects. um, it their own risk. Okay, after that they can buy it. So likewise they can be able to research it by using the contents they had given in the same page. Okay, if you get down, so they had given the project information. So likewise, okay, you can get the all the information of the project introduction and the founder of this project, all the things you can be able to get. And they had given the risk warnings also, attention. So these all you have to read it out before buying and before placing any of the things, any of the products. Okay, so project introduction, they had given the introduction for the this zombie INU. Likewise, you also just need to see, and risk warning they had given out. This also you have to read it out. And requirements for participants, it is nothing but that participant should, particular participant should need to register on get.io and login. After logging in, complete user identify verification, make sure you have enough balance of supported currency for the sale, and then you should need to sign the purchase agreement on startup before placing orders. Then waiting for startup open, that is status preheat. Like here it is preheat. Why it is preheat? It means it is not, it begins. Okay, once it is begins, then this bar will be shown as placed order. Place order, then you can be able to click on the place order. Okay, after clicking on the place order, then it will ask you for how many copies you will need. Okay, so here also they had given the green light, green highlight. Okay, then see it, it is supported only to up to 20 USDT. You can be able to invest only up to 20 USDT. And also per project you can invest only once. And if you are invested 20 USDT, then you can obtain this much of ZINU. Okay, total copies is 7500. So these kind of things they already mentioned, okay, before placing order. And also they had given the preconditions also. Users will need to be VIP 1 and above. Okay, and they mentioned all the things like this is the target goal 150,000 USDT. And it is a fundraised amount zero. Still it is since it is not coming into the sale. Okay, it is not coming into the fundraising stage, so this is not yet raised. Once it is coming to the fundraising stage, like once it is coming into the active state, like now it is upcoming. Okay, once it is come to active state, then users can be able to place the order, and a fundraising amount also will be increased. Okay, usually this fundraising amount should be greater than the goal gold amount. Okay, but in Gate.io extension, that fundraising amount raised much more than their initial goal, as every single project listed on the platform has been oversubscribed. Okay, once this fundraising stage is completed, projects will be listed on the Gate.io exchange. Okay, and also I will share you the link of this, like this one in description, like how to participate in Gator startup IEO. Okay, I already told you everything, but if you want to get more, then you can go on through this link. Okay, so here also explain the same thing. Go to this website, better you can have the Gator.io app. Okay, it is very helpful for you. And explain the same thing. If you are click the project, then you can be able to see all the things. Okay, and given the requirements. And okay, now we had given the upcoming project. So inside this upcoming projects, the button is preheat, but here it is place order. So if you click on the place order, it will place the order. So before placing order, it will ask you for okay, sign the purchase agreement on startup before placing order. So you have to sign the purchase agreement. It is the one of the requirement for participant. So after purchasing, after purchasing the agreement, after purchase agreement you signed on, then you can be able to place order. Okay, then it will open this form. In this form you have to give the USDT and copy quantity. And they had given all the quantities, like all the highlights they had given before placing order. Just read it out, and based on that you have to place the order. Okay, so within the time the funds should be raised. They mention each project should need to mention the start time and the close time. So within the time, uh, the fund raised should be completed and should be greater than the initial goal. Then only it will be get finished, and it will be listed on Gate.io exchange also. Okay, and I will also share the medium link. Okay, medium link of the Gate.io exchanger. So inside they had given all the things: startup fundraising, over subscription, eligibility. So it is very important the users who are interested to invest through startup. Okay, first thing, they should need to have the valid Gate.io account is needed with all KYC approved. Okay, and that users will need to have an active balance in their spot account able to cover their pledged investment. Okay, the whatever investment you put on, so that investment should need to be covered by your active balance in their spot account. Okay, so and another thing is users will only be able to invest once per project. Okay, and are limited to 1,000 tokens in each project they commit to. And these things also you have to gone through: citizens of the following countries are not eligible for participant or startup. Okay, and risk warning, I already told you, it's still the user responsibility to research project themselves and invest with caution. Okay, it is still the user responsibility. And startup projects, actually, you can see like crypto market is highly volatile and price fluctuations may occur. Finally, in some cases technical issues may hinder token withdrawals. Okay, these all things you should need to aware about before investing or funding. Okay, I will give you this medium link, and how to participate. Get.io, like startup IEO. The two links I will share in the description. Just to go through for more information. Okay, and once you are eligible for that, then you can be able to place order, and once it is come to sale, then it will be given to you based on your investment. Okay, and here they mention, if we go on to here, they mention, so okay, if the project rises more than its goal, users receive the token in proportion to their investment in the total fundraising total. Okay, it should need to remember that. Okay, for example, they had given this kind of calculation, so you should need to calculate first, and based on that invest on that. Okay, okay, this is all about startup IEO in Gate.io Accenture. Just gone through on your this kind of links I had given the description. And if you felt this video is useful, please like and subscribe. You will be get notified with more videos of this kind of new information. Okay, on Gate.io. Yeah, thanks for watching.